In today's Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a clean and modern logo design in Photoshop. This video was made on request. Someone commented on one of my previous tutorials asking me to recreate this exact logo. So if you want your request featured next, make sure to drop it in the comments. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar. Choose the font used for this design. You can download the exact font from the link provided in the description. Type the 3 required letters, each on separate layers, so you have full control while adjusting them. Next, arrange the letters closely together to form the base of the logo. Make sure the V letter sits slightly below the Y, just like in the reference design. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle across the area where you want the cutout effect. Position it carefully. Now hold Ctrl and click on the shape's thumbnail to turn the rectangle into a selection. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to invert the selection. Hide the rectangle layer so it won't show in the final result. Select the Eraser tool, click on the V layer, and start erasing the part of the Y that overlaps with V, following the shape of the rectangle. Once done, press Ctrl plus D to remove the selection. Bring the H layer to the bottom so it sits behind the other letters. Repeat the same process. Hold Ctrl and click the shape's thumbnail. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I, hide the shape. Select the Eraser tool. Erase the overlapping part of the H to match the design. Again, press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Hide the background layer, select the topmost layer, and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E to create a merged copy of everything visible. Press Ctrl plus C to copy this final logo. Open the mockup file. You'll find the download link in the description. Double-click on the layer where it says, "Place your logo here," or the Smart Object layer. A new window will open. Paste your copied logo inside, resize it as needed, and position it perfectly. Close this window and press Save. Your logo will instantly appear on the mockup with realistic lighting and texture. And that's it. Your custom logo design is ready, clean, modern, and beautifully displayed on the mockup. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Photoshop effects, logo designs, and photo editing tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.